You are standing at the rental counter, tired from your flight, and the agent asks, "Do you want full protection for just $30 a day?" You panic and say yes, you just wasted $300. Or you say no, and you crash. Now your personal insurance rates skyrocket for 3 years. There is a third option, the secret primary coverage hidden in the credit card already in your wallet. Today, I'm exposing the rental car insurance scam and showing you exactly which cards protect you for free. Welcome to CardVantage. Let's stop getting ripped off. First, let's get the language straight. This is critical. At the rental counter, you will hear the terms CDW, Collision Damage Waiver, LDW, Loss Damage Waiver. These terms sound official. They sound like insurance. They are not. A waiver is simply a contract between you and the rental company. By paying for it, you are buying the company's promise they will waive their right to come after you for the full cost of damage, theft. It is an expensive, optional product sold directly by the company whose car you are renting. It is not a regulated insurance policy. Real insurance is regulated by government agencies. It has strict rules about what must be covered, how claims are handled. A waiver is a private agreement. The rental company writes the rules, they set the price, and that price is almost pure profit. The daily fee for the CDW-LDW can range from $20 to over $40. For a 10-day rental, that is $200 to $400. Now compare that to the cost of using the benefit that may already be on your credit card. Zero. You are paying hundreds for something that your card might provide for free. It is a classic upsell, preying on a lack of knowledge. Think about what is happening here. The rental company owns the asset, the car. They have their own fleet insurance to cover their cars. When you pay for their waiver, you are essentially paying them an extra fee to not use their right to charge you for damages that their own insurance might cover anyway. You are paying to be released from a liability they are imposing on you. It is a brilliant business model for them, but a terrible deal for you. Millions of travelers fall for it. Many major credit cards come with a built-in rental car benefit. This benefit acts like insurance. It covers you for collision damage, theft of the rental vehicle. When you have this benefit and use the right card to pay for your rental, you can confidently decline the rental company's expensive waiver. You are not driving unprotected. You are simply choosing to use the robust protection you already have. Now we get to the most important detail. Not all credit card rental benefits are created equal. They fall into two categories: secondary coverage, primary coverage. Most credit cards offer secondary coverage. Secondary means the card's benefit only kicks in after your personal auto insurance policy pays out. If you have an accident in a rental car, you must first file a claim with your own car insurance company, the one that insures your car back home. Your insurance will likely cover costs, but you must pay your deductible first. That could be $500, $1,000, or more. After that, your credit card's secondary coverage might reimburse your deductible, but the damage is already done. You now have a claim on your personal insurance record. That can, and often does, cause your annual premiums to increase. For years, primary coverage is the game changer. It's the hero of this story. Primary means the card's benefit acts as the first payer. If you have an accident, you do not call your personal auto insurer. You do not file a claim with them. You do not pay your personal deductible. Your personal insurance never has to know. Your rates do not go up. This is the clear choice. So, which cards are the heroes? Which cards give you this powerful primary coverage? As of early 2026, the list is clear and consistent. These are the cards you should have in your wallet if you rent cars frequently. The Chase Sapphire cards are the long-standing champions in this category. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, Chase Sapphire Reserve. Paying with either card lets you confidently decline the counter's CDW. Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card. Popular with travelers for broad benefits. Primary rental coverage is one of its strongest features in the US and most countries abroad. Bilt MasterCard. Offers primary coverage with no annual fee. Extremely rare. Great choice if you want protection without a premium card. There are other cards as well, often in the premium business card category, like Inc. Business Preferred and other Chase business cards. offering primary coverage when renting for business purposes. United Explorer Card, a strong contender for frequent flyers. Know which of your cards has this benefit. Use that specific card every time you pay for a rental. This benefit only works if you follow the rules. Initiate and complete the entire rental with the card, be the primary renter, and decline the rental company's CDW. These cards are your key to saving hundreds of dollars and avoiding major headaches. They are the best defense against the counter upsell. The Amex Workaround, a smart hack for primary coverage. Many people carry American Express cards. They are popular for their rewards programs and their customer service. However, most standard Amex cards, including the popular Gold and the Platinum cards, only offer secondary rental car coverage. If you rely on your Platinum card alone, you would still go through your personal insurance first after an accident. That could force you to file a claim and raise your rates, but there is a smart workaround. American Express sells a separate paid product called Premium Car Rental Protection. It's not a default benefit. It's optional, and you must enroll on the American Express website. Once enrolled, the benefit automatically attaches to rentals you pay for with that enrolled Amex card. Instead of paying a high daily CDW at the rental counter, you pay one low, flat fee to Amex for the whole rental. That fee covers rentals up to 42 consecutive days. You pay one flat rate per rental, not per day. As of early 2026, the cost is usually $19.95–$24.95 for the entire rental. That single charge gives primary coverage for damage or theft. Example, 10 days at $30 a day equals $300. With Amex Premium Protection, you pay about $25. Massive savings. Enrolling is simple. Go to the American Express website, find the Premium Car Rental Protection page. Enroll your card. Takes minutes. From then on, when the system detects a rental paid with that card, it applies coverage and adds the flat fee automatically. That converts your card's secondary coverage into primary for that rental. It's a powerful tool for Amex cardholders, like getting Sapphire or Venture X-style protection on a pay-per-use basis. We upload new money hacks like this every Thursday here at CardVantage. Subscribe so you don't miss the next travel loop or credit score secret. You know. This protection is powerful, but it is not unlimited. You must be aware of the exclusions. The first major exclusion is geography. Ireland, Israel, Italy, Jamaica, Australia, New Zealand. These lists change. Before you rent a car abroad, check your card's current guide to benefits. If your destination is excluded, your card's coverage will not apply. You will need to purchase coverage separately. The second key exclusion is the type of vehicle. This is not for a weekend joyride in a Ferrari, Lamborghini, Bentley, or Rolls-Royce. The benefit is designed for typical passenger cars, SUVs, and minivans, but most policies exclude large passenger vans. Trucks with open beds and commercial-use vehicles are usually excluded. Renting a U-Haul to move? Your card will not cover it. Always check vehicle type restrictions. Another critical limit is rental duration. Most policies limit rentals to 31 consecutive days or fewer. Rent for 32 days and coverage may be void for the entire rental. Amex Premium Protection often covers up to 42 days. Finally, understand what is not covered in an accident. The benefit covers damage to or theft of the rental vehicle itself. It does not provide liability insurance. If you cause injury or property damage, your card will not cover those costs. Liability coverage is separate and often legally required. You typically have liability through your personal auto policy, or you can buy a supplemental liability policy from the rental agency. Do not confuse collision coverage with liability coverage. Geography, vehicle type, duration, liability. Check them before you rent. You are now armed with the facts. It is time to put them into action. When you arrive at the rental counter, you need a simple, clear plan. Do not get flustered by the agent's script. Just follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Decline the CDW/LDW. When asked to purchase their protection plan or waiver, say, "No thank you." If they push back, say, "I have coverage through my credit card." Using your card's primary benefit is conditional on declining their plan. If you accept and pay for their CDWW, LDW, you turn off your credit card's benefit. You cannot have both. Step 2. Pay with the right card. Use the credit card that provides primary rental car coverage to pay for the entire rental. Do not split the payment. Do not use a debit card. The name on the credit card must match the primary renter on the agreement. If you're using the Amex Premium Protection Hack, use your enrolled Amex. Step 3. Inspect the car. Use your smartphone to conduct a thorough inspection, outside and inside. Walk around the car and look for any existing damage. Scratches, scuffs, dents. Inspect the windshield for chips or cracks. Take clear photos and a slow, detailed video. This creates a time-stamped record. This evidence can be invaluable in preventing the rental company from falsely charging you for pre-existing damage. In the end, knowledge is your best defense. The rental car counter is a high-pressure sales environment. The agent is not your advisor. They're a salesperson aiming to maximize revenue. Do not let their urgency become your emergency. You have the right to take a moment. Think clearly and make the decision that's best for you. A simple pause before you sign can be the difference between a $100 bill and a $0 one. Rental car insurance is a waste of money if you have the right card. Use primary coverage, inspect the car, and travel smarter. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Insurance terms vary by card issuer and state. Always check your specific benefits guide before renting. Make decisions based on your own situation and research.